G'day DIYers. Yep, I'm into the grouting stage again. What I'm using is it's a white. I'm not using a brilliant white. I don't want the lines to stand out too much. Like it's sort of a creamy sort of tile, so this white is sort of like an antique white. It's not super bright white, ultra white. I use ultra white a lot. On most tiles, but this needs a sort of antique-y white. Anyway, I'll put in roughly 10 ml of water. I don't need absolute heaps and heaps of grout. It's a 6x6 tile, 1.5mm joint. It's a shiny tile, so I don't have to have it too runny. A little bit stiffer. What I do like are these suckers. They're a soft rubber, they don't last too long, but I like using them. I mostly buy a new squeegee for every bathroom, more or less. I might bring in those shorter steps. As I go, I can start moving stuff out to my van and doing a bit of a clean up. Where's my knife? Bit of glue. Is that a clip there? That's a bit of a pain. That one. So what I do here is get a new blade and cut it out. Just like that. You can only sort of do it with a new blade successfully. And you're home and hose. Just checking. Bit of glue there. I love shiny tiles. In a bathroom, I reckon it sort of grandeur to me. Pull that bit of plastic out. I don't have to smear the whole tile, just push it in. Like so. Nice. So hopefully tomorrow I'm fitting the vanity, doing stuff like that. My floor is going to be light grey, misty grey again. I use it so much, it's so popular. It just sort of seems to go with every tile these days. When I hit a clip like that, it's not too good from a squeegee. Wrecks it a bit. The soft rubber. Nice. This shouldn't take me too long. Just concentrating on pushing it in. Look at that. It's that smooth. It'll be just such a nice, easy, clean wipe off. Okay, I'll see you soon. It's not going to stick there. See ya, ciao. Stay tuned with my videos. You will always learn something, DIYs. We'll see ya. Bye.